Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily withdraw money from Coinbase Pro. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Coinbase Pro, you're going to see it here, withdraw. And now you're going to have two options. Now, multiple options to assets. So the first option is to choose Euro. And then you're going to have a SEPA transfer here or to Coinbase.com. You can actually send it from your Coinbase Pro account to Coinbase.com account. No fee and no limit. And you can go with maximum €75 I have on my Coinbase Pro account. And then you can click here SEPA transfer. And the same thing, I can send it from my Coinbase Pro account to my bank account. Let's go with maximum €75. Fee is going to be 0.15 cents. Limit is going to be 0 from 50,000. Processing time 1 to 3 business days with €1. And then I would add here the verification code, and then I would simply withdraw it. And that's pretty much it how we do it. It's quite simple, quite easy. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.